People each have one person they admire, like your parents. It's important to have people you admire because you'll work hard to be like them. I admire the singer Charlie Puth. There are 3 reasons why. First, he is good at singing. His song was on the Billboard too. Also, he featured many songs with famous singers, so many people love him. Second, he is handsome. Charlie Puth had appeared in many commercials with his handsome face. If he was ugly, he won't take many advertisements. Also, his handsome face makes him earn more money. He received all the copyright fees and advertising fees. Third, he's funny. If you go into his TikTok account or Instagram account, there are a lot of funny videos too. The fun personality is one of the reasons why people love him. His idea is very cool, so you can get a lot of new gigs. Lastly, he is very creative. He makes many melody and beats himself. These are 3 reasons why I admire Charlie Puth. Thank you for listening.